Imagine a world with no network trouble tickets, no network outages, no downtime or performance issues, minimal human intervention. A world where you don't even think about the network, and it delivers an elevated experience to end users across every single domain. How do we get there? Juniper's AI native networking platform.
Imagine up to 90% reduction in Wi-Fi help desk tickets, up to 85% fewer networking on-site visits, and up to 9 times faster network solution deployments. First, it empowers you with the right data. Our AI engine has been learning for the past 7 years, enabling it to understand more with less errors, so you can navigate complex networks with confidence.
By pulling in real-time telemetry from network and security devices from across our domains down to the client, we can help you see more, optimize, and predict the user experience with stunning accuracy.
Next, we empower you with the right real-time response. Reacting to every trouble ticket, trying to get root cause, is a time-consuming, manually intensive process, especially so with constrained resources. Our AI-native networking platform keeps the network running optimally, surfacing issues before they impact user experience, making you more productive.
Marvis, a virtual network assistant unique to Juniper, proactively notifies you when a potential issue emerges. Ask Marvis questions in your own words, get simple answers.
The right infrastructure makes this possible. As you scale, so do the demands of the network. Our AI Ops runs on an open and modern microservices cloud, giving you elastic storage, power, and high performance at scale to handle workloads now and in the future.
The AI-native networking platform delivers unparalleled assurance of AI Ops across the entire network. Whether leveraging the power of AI for your network or building the optimal network for AI.
At Juniper, we make every connection count. Our AI-native networking platform assures that every connection is reliable, measurable, and secure, so every experience is simply exceptional for operators, end users, and your business.